In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Webflow and why you should. Connecting these two tools brings your marketing and website together, so leads captured on your site flow straight into your CRM. That means cleaner contact records, better attribution, and faster automation. Think instant follow-ups, deal creation, and accurate reporting without manual exports. Start inside your HubSpot account on the main dashboard. Make sure you have permission to install apps. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with access to complete the install. At the top of the page, click the Marketplace icon. This opens HubSpot's app marketplace. From there, you'll land on the place where all integrations live, reviewed and maintained for security and compatibility. In the Marketplace search bar, type Webflow. If you see results that say Webflow with a space, that's fine. What matters is selecting the official Webflow app. Click into the Webflow listing to open its details page. This page outlines what the integration does, the permissions it needs, and any notes from the provider. Take a moment to skim the overview so you know exactly what will sync and why those permissions are requested. On the listing page, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the connection flow. If you aren't signed in already, you'll be prompted to log in. Follow the prompts, choose the correct HubSpot account if asked, and confirm the permissions so the two platforms can talk to each other securely. If you manage multiple websites, it helps to be logged into the correct Webflow workspace in another tab before you begin, so the authorization attaches to the right site. Once you confirm, HubSpot completes the setup. You should see a success message and the app will appear among your connected integrations. From here, forms and visitor data can start syncing, enabling workflows, lead scoring, and analytics to kick in automatically. If search doesn't show the app right away, clear any filters. If the marketplace icon is missing, it's likely a permissions issue. And if the install window doesn't load, temporarily disable pop-up blockers and try again. Congratulations, you've connected HubSpot to Webflow. With this integration in place, you'll capture more accurate data at the source, reduce manual tasks, and give your team faster, more reliable insights to grow your pipeline.